5 Mitchell bomber.
In the meantime, we're getting a few extra passes. There's a beautiful topside pass by our B-25. This is a J model. Being flown once again by Steve Johnson and Drew Watson. You know, you were talking about the Dauntless.
Inbound from the right. That was the airplane, Ken, best known as the Zero Killer, going up against those Mitsubishi A6M0s of the Japanese Imperial Navy. The Hellcat racking up a 19-1 to dive onto a target and deliver ammunition. In just a moment, we're about to see the Dauntless as it continues